Here we're working on a Scrambler 500 HO, and we had a problem with it making noise, and people are saying that it could be the starter Bendix. And right here, this is the old one we have. When you like shake it, it like vibrates a lot and it moves super easily. And then here is a new one I have. You shake it, doesn't make any noises, and it moves a little bit more stiffer. So this is how you could tell if a starter Bendix is planning on going out, because it's beginning to make a sound like it's having a knock coming from the engine. It starts slight for me, so I ended up just changing it while I was replacing the coil.